As you join us on this journey to create a pollinator way station, I'm here at our butterfly garden in Adams Rickey Park in Enola, Pennsylvania. This was designed by the master gardeners of Central Pennsylvania and funded by our community. And if you were to see the overhead shot right now, it's actually in the shape of a butterfly, but it's a pollinator certified way station, which you can get from your local organizations such as the Master Gardeners or through national organizations such as monarchwatch.org. So what should your pollinator garden include? Well, we talked a little bit about the plants that you might consider for your pollinator garden from a native standpoint, but certainly annuals and certainly perennials that are not native should be considered as part of your garden. So you see here some really gorgeous sedums. Now, sedums aren't native to this area, but they're well loved by our pollinators and they grow really great, both in sun and shade. And you can see here a giant patch of those surrounded by marigolds. Marigolds are a staple of a lot of vegetable gardens because they're great at keeping pests away, but pollinators will use them as well. If you're interested in an annual that is a monarch magnet, I highly recommend Torch. It's an orange, beautiful sunflower that's called a Mexican sunflower. Unlike our traditional sunflowers, which typically are just one flower, this one is like an umbrella of orange sunflowers, and the monarchs find them irresistible. I also find my hummingbirds and bees sometimes right there on their nectar ring. It's just a beautiful, beautiful sight.